Hi, this is Nico from Roland, and today I'm going to show you a function called Audio Follows Video. This function is very useful when you have to deal with multiple video inputs that they contain audio as well, and ensure us that the audio present on the speakers and our streaming and recorders is equivalent to the video source we have on the displays. It's a very useful function that we have in many of our video mixers that they can handle audio, but today I'm going to show it with the VR-50HD Mark II. Let's have a look. Well, the first thing we have to do is to route the audio coming from the video inputs into the audio channels. For that, we will use channels 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12. Every channel, we press select, and we will have an option to select different sources. In our case, we need to select video sources. After we routed the video inputs for the audio channels, we have to raise the fader levels. At this moment, the 4 audios coming from the HDMIs are going straight into the master bus. But what we need to do is to make them follow the video selected. For that, we go again to every channel and we turn on the option Follow. You can see that this LED is showing us that the follow function is on. You see that one option is in red and some other channels are in green. The one in red is the one that we are listening now, which is equivalent to the video channel we have selected. If we change to a different video channel, we will see that the follow red indicator changes of channel. If we apply a time of transition between the video sources, the audio will make the same time transition, so it will crossfade the audios. And in the same way, if we output fade to black the image, the audio will follow. You have seen how easy we can switch audio and video together and always be safe that the thing present on the speakers is related to the image we have on the displays. If you have any questions, put it on the comments. We will check them often and we will reply as soon as we can. Thank you for watching.